I'm a fashion hypocrite. If you've been watching my videos, you may have noticed I contradict myself quite a bit. And I've come to realize that sometimes it's better just to not make these bold statements on how I feel, because I change my mind so often. And I was kind of thinking about it, and I have this internal fight with myself basically every time I get dressed, because I'm like, no, I don't like that. Why would I put that on? So I made a list of kind of my fashion opinions that contradict themselves a lot, and I just want to show that it's okay to not fit into an aesthetic or even fit into a mindset or have opinions that make any sense, especially when it comes to getting dressed. Nobody is hearing that internal monologue unless you're filming a video like I do. So first one is something I see all the time, but I never actually want to do, and that's running sneakers make anything chic. This really goes into the wrong shoe theory and pairing, like a true running sneaker with color or silver and laces or chunkiness to a feminine dress, I think is always so cute. And I always see it on Pinterest and I want to do it and I want to wear that, but then when I put it on, it's just like not giving what I want it to. Sometimes when I'm putting on running sneakers with a cuter outfit, it is truly for practicality. It is because I need support while walking. I also think anything but a sneaker makes anything chic. Instead of putting on your Sambas or running sneaker, put on a ballet flat, put on a kitten heel, put on a clog, and the outfit feels so much more put together, mature, and like effortlessly fashionable. But so does a sneaker. So you get where we're going with this video. Nothing's gonna make sense, but maybe it'll give you inspo. Try something new. Next one. I don't think anything is more chic than short hair. When someone has a pixie cut, any outfit just immediately looks so chic, so cool, girl, so cutesy. I'm obsessed with it. But I also think nothing is more chic than long hair and having it in a fun hairstyle, or just having your long hair down and natural, whether that's curly, wavy, straight, whatever. I think both can add so much to an outfit, and I feel like that's why I'm always in this like fight with myself of I want short hair, I want long hair, because I like both so much, and I think they just both totally change up a look. Wish I could have like long hair one day and short hair the next. I guess you can do that. I wish I could have short hair one day and long day the next. You can definitely just cut your long hair and get short hair the next day. The next thing I think completes an outfit is fun makeup. And I never do this because first of all, I don't have the time anymore. But also, some people have faces that just like don't look good with a lot of makeup. I don't think I look good with a lot of makeup. Or maybe I'm just not used to it. I talk about that a lot too. Sometimes you're just not used to things, so you put it on and you're like, but I swear, a lot of makeup just doesn't look good on me. But if somebody completes their outfit with fun makeup, I'm like, oh, you are truly final boss. Like, such a good outfit, so chic, so fashionable, so put together, and I adore it. But then when somebody just has a natural face, a bare face with a really chic outfit, that is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. That is the most fashionable thing. It's truly like your clothes are speaking everything. Do you see why I have fights all the time with myself? Next one is no accessories are so effortlessly chic. This is another one where it's like the outfit is doing everything that needs to be done. You don't need to add one extra thing. It speaks for itself. And I feel like looking at like French Parisian fashion or like Jane Birkin, I know her Birkin bag had like all these chains and keychains on it. I know we all know that now. But if you look at her actual just outfit and what she's wearing, she really doesn't wear any jewelry. She doesn't over accessorize. Her outfits are very simple, plain Jane, but they are so fashionable. Arguably, it's because she's pretty tall and skinny. That's another combo. But then I think too many accessories is also so chic and high fashion. I think of Adriama on TikTok, Adrian on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. She accessorizes in a way that I could only dream of. Like, I would never think to put all those accessories on, and she does it, and it looks so cool. It looks so incorporated with the outfit, not like it was an afterthought, where when I put on a bangle, I'm like, you can tell I thought way too long and hard about this bangle. Everyone's gonna know. Next, I'm like sinking into this bed. Next one, I think figure flattering outfits are so chic. Just like a basic outfit, but your top is fitted where it's supposed to be. It's the right length. It hits the perfect hem at the waist of your pants. And your pants, you don't need a belt to cinch in the waist. They just fit good. You don't need any accessories to figure out what's going on. Your pieces just lay correctly, they fit well, it's basic, but it's so chic. Like, your body is basically the fashion, and that can be any body shape as well. That's what's more speaking, not so much the clothes. I think that can look so good. I also think loose blobs of clothes are also so chic. I still think loose blobs of clothes to be well fitted, and I talked about this in my last video, or I don't know if this one's going up first, but like the seam of the shoulder on your t-shirt or sweater or crew neck shouldn't be like too oversized where it looks super ill-fitting. The seam should be on your shoulder. The sleeves shouldn't swallow your arms in Ariana Grande style. They should hit at your wrist. The hem of your pants shouldn't be bunched and under your feet. It should kiss your heel or be folded to kiss your heel. But I love a loose outfit, especially in the fall and winter time. I feel like that's what I normally wear, and that's what I feel the most fashionable and cool girl in. This one is same but different. Casual basics always work. I think no matter the event you're going to, with like, you know, some discretion. Like, I'm not gonna wear jeans and a t-shirt to a funeral or a wedding, but like if I was going out to drinks with friends, I can wear a well-fitted white t-shirt and jeans with a pair of kitten heels or clogs or like, you know, just a smart shoe, and it will always work. No matter what my friends are wearing, if they're wearing athleisure, I would look like I could fit right in. If they're wearing a sundress and heels, I could fit right in with that outfit. No matter what, casual basics, they will always work. And then on the other hand, I think colorful, bold outfits always work. Sometimes if you're wearing a halter top that's printed with flowy skirt and a kitten heel, when you're wearing this kind of like obscure, crazy outfit, and it doesn't even have to be crazy, but it's just like colorful and youthful and fun, I think it can be mended into so many different scenarios of like, what is the vibe, how are we dressing? Again, for like an actual dress coded event, I don't think it works, but if you just don't know the vibe of like a birthday party or a night out or like a day out on the town, like thrifting with friends, going out and doing fun stuff, I think that either of these always work, and they're always the right thing. So then I'm always like, I go in between and I'm the wrong thing. Next one, I think menswear on women is so hot. A big oversized blazer, a trouser, a loafer, a men's button down, a fully like masculine outfit, an androgynous outfit. It's the hottest, like it's so hot. But then I think feminine clothing on women is also so hot. Wearing a well-fitted midi dress with like a flowy bottom that shows a bit of leg, or a high heel, a strappy, slinky high heel, a top that shows off your collarbones. Like, I think both is like the hottest outfit in the world. Yeah, I feel like if you really lean one way or the other, you get the same effect. Next one is that trends are dumb and we should only be sticking to our own style, our personal style. There, I said a buzzword. And I have this battle all the time where I'm like, well, is this trend my personal style? Would I wear this if I've never seen it before and I just saw it out an ugly store, but I saw this and it just stood out to me and it spoke to me, and I'll wear this until I'm 87 and I'll wear it for the rest of my life and I want to be buried in it? It's exhausting. And also, on the other hand, I'm like, trends are fun. Let's experiment. When thrifting them, I will always pick up a new trend and then I'm like, I am exhausted by trying all these new trends. I just want to wear a white t-shirt and jeans and my cowboy boots because that's what I feel the most me in, and I never want to try a trend again. What is it that I can't be in the middle? I was gonna say it's like my star sign. I'm a Libra. Is it because I'm a Libra that I have to be completely one way or the other? It is actually exhausting in everything in my life. I just can't be in the middle ground. I have to be one extreme or the next. Or is that something else undiagnosed? If it is, I don't want to hear it. Next. A white t-shirt goes with anything. Jeans, athletic shorts, a sequin skirt over a floral dress. You can wear a white t-shirt and it's the best option in your closet. The most chic and casual and fashionable with any outfit, any shoe, any pant, a white t-shirt. But then I also think swap out your white t-shirt for literally anything and your outfit will be 100 times better. It'll be so Pinterest worthy. People will want to recreate it because it's never been done before. And like, even if it's still a white top, but it's crocheted or it's got a different cut, it's better than your white t-shirt. This is why I can't get dressed. Okay, and last one I wanted to talk about. My camera's overheating again. I think seeing your bra or undies can be so cute in an outfit. If I have a little bralette on and you see that it's like a cherry print strap under my just white t-shirt and you can kind of see through my white t-shirt, or you can kind of see through my white tank top that I'm wearing like a little cherry print bra. Adorable. I love it. Same with undies. If you're wearing like a sheer skirt, you wear a polka dot undie underneath. So cute. It's like the little touches. But then also with that, sometimes I think the last thing I want to see in an outfit is an underwear line or a bra strap. And I wanted to talk about it specifically today because I'm wearing this little thrifted jumper, and since breastfeeding, my boobs are Sag City, and they're these nude, N-O-O-D, I keep talking about them in my videos. They're these like patches, and you just put them on and it lifts up your boob, and then you don't have to wear a bra, even if you have bigger boobs or whatever. And look at that, like a bare back is so chic. I don't want to see a strap with this, but some days I do. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys with the absolute most. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.